the elevator at the Country Inn and Suites in Lumberton, North Carolina. It's an Otis Series 1. Head up to 4. Here we are at 4. Now I'll head down the lobby. Again, it's a nice elevator. Got some information here about this property is in the middle of renovations. And here we are back at 1. Now I'll take it up to number 2. And here we are at 2. And there it goes. And we'll take a look down the hallway here. Yeah, and then in here in the man-powered elevator, you can get a good view out the window of the Comfort Inn over there. That's actually, I haven't been over there yet. That's the hotel I'm gonna try next. And here's the man-powered elevator at the Country Inn and Suites in Lumberton, North Carolina, off of Interstate 95 at exit number 20. That's it.